I'm Chef Dano. Thanks for stopping by and seeing us at ExpertVillage. What we're going to do first is chop our vegetables and our fresh herbs, and then we will take care of the seafood. The seafood, we need to mainly take the shells off the shrimp, clean those, and debone the snapper, and we'll be ready to go. So for the onion, I'm only going to need half an onion. This is for the saffron rice. We want to get both items going at the same time. So you're going to do a fine chop for this. Across and like so. That's for the saffron rice. Next, we will take care of our fresh herbs. We're going to trim the basil, pull the leaves off at the very base of the stem. Tarragon, I'm just going to pull it down like this and release the leaves from the thick stem end. Just like so. And that's enough tarragon. A little bit of dill. And the aromatics from these fresh herbs will release into the sauce. It's very nice, very light sauce with the seafood. It's wonderful. You will love it. So, you have enough herbs there. Do a quick rough chop. There we go. Next, we will cut our lemons. We have a couple wedges already cut for our garnish. I'm just going to do a couple large wedges. This will be for the cooking liquid. We'll set those aside. And next we'll go on to the seafood.